Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The 4.7 Powertech engine, also known as the next generation Magnum in Dodge applications, was a V8 engine produced by Chrysler that became a staple in their truck and SUV lineup from the late 1990s through the early 2010s. It was designed to fill the gap between the smaller V6 and larger V8 engines, offering a balance of power, efficiency, and durability. In which cars was it mounted? The 4.7-liter Powertech engine was used in a variety of Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles, including Jeep, Grand Cherokee, 1999 to 2009, Commander, 2006 to 2009, Dodge, Dakota, 2000 to 2009, Durango, 2000 to 2009, Ram 1500, 2002, 2010. Chrysler, Aspen, 2007 to 2009. Mitsubishi, Raider, 2006 to 2007. Versions and history. The 4.7 Powertech engine was introduced in the 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Throughout its production run, it received several updates. Initial version, 1999. This version produced around 235 to 245 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. It was known for its simplicity and reliability. High output, HO, version 2002, a performance-oriented variant was introduced, boosting horsepower up to 265 horsepower and torque to 330 lb-ft. This version was available in specific trims of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Ram, and Dakota. Final generation, CHRYSLER, 2008. This updated version featured a new slant and squish combustion system, dual spark plugs per cylinder, and a higher compression ratio. These changes improved power, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions, with output reaching 290 to 310 horsepower and 334 lb-ft of torque. Advantages: solid performance. The engine provided a good balance of power and torque, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, including towing light loads and off-roading. Durability and longevity. When properly maintained, the 4.7 Powertech is known for its ability to last for many miles. Many owners report high mileage with the original engine and transmission. Simple design. For its time, compared to some competitors, the 4.7-liter V8 was relatively straightforward in its design, which can make it easier for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts to work on. Disadvantages and common faults and breakdowns. The 4.7-liter Powertech engine has a reputation for some specific issues, which are often linked to a lack of proper maintenance. Oil sludge and engine failure. This is a well-documented problem, particularly in earlier models, pre-2005. Sludge can build up due to a combination of neglected oil changes, short-distance driving that doesn't allow the engine to fully heat up, and poor crankcase ventilation. This can lead to decreased power, and in severe cases, catastrophic engine failure. Overheating and blown head gaskets. The cooling system is a critical weak point. Overheating, which can be caused by a faulty radiator or other cooling system components, can lead to a blown head gasket or a cracked cylinder head. Valve train issues. The engine can be prone to valve train problems, such as a knocking sound, which may be caused by a valve lash adjuster failure. Broken exhaust manifold bolts. The exhaust manifold bolts are known to fail, leading to an exhaust leak. Oil foam. This can be seen under the oil cap and is often caused by moisture getting into the oil. Fuel consumption. The 4.7 Powertech is not known for being particularly fuel efficient. While it was an improvement over some of its predecessors, it lags behind modern V8s with fuel-saving technologies like cylinder deactivation. Owners often report fuel economy in the range of 12 to 15 miles per gallon, and it can drop even lower in heavy winter or city driving. Timing. The 4.7 Powertech engine uses a timing chain, not a timing belt. This is a significant advantage as timing chains are designed to last the lifetime of the engine and do not require regular replacement like a timing belt. However, the timing chain guides and tensioners can wear out, which may produce a clicking or rattling noise from the front of the engine. Oil type and change interval. Oil type. The recommended oil viscosity for the 4.7-liter Powertech engine is typically 5W20 or 5W30. It's important to consult the specific owner's manual for the vehicle year to confirm. Oil capacity. The oil capacity is generally 6 quarts with filter. Change interval. Due to the engine's susceptibility to oil sludge, it is highly recommended to change the oil more frequently than the standard modern interval. While some manufacturers suggested intervals up to 7,500 miles, many experienced owners and mechanics strongly advise a change interval of 3,000 to 5,000 miles to prevent sludge buildup and ensure the engine's longevity. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.